data challenges of an organization. Hello everyone, my name is Isha Taneja and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Complere Infosystem. In this video, we will discuss about the data challenges that an organization can face. This is a part 2 of 3 most common data challenges. So let's begin. Suppose you have created the data warehouse. On the top of it, you have also created the reports. But the reports are taking so much time to load. And you're facing the performance related issues because concurrent users are using your reports, and which in return is taking so much time in order to retrieve the results, and you have to sit and wait for a long time, for hours, in order to see the results. So this is the most common data challenge. In order to resolve this problem, you should first understand and analyze actually what is your future need, what is your requirement while selecting your data warehouse. You should select a data warehouse, its configuration related to your usage. Nowadays, there are many options available also to scale up your DB as per the requirement, as per the needs. For that, you can go to the cloud-based solutions. One of the example is Snowflake. How you like this video? If you like this video, please comment in the below section. See you in the next video. And don't forget to wait for the part 3. Thank you.